Hello. Now we're going to talk about the Longbow. That platform will help you to analyze the asset origin, the root cause of the problems, issues in assets contextualization, issues in asset risk scoring, and compliance analysis. All if that platform. For the assets, you have all the information you need in that menu. You have a lot of kind of assets you can monitor that, like AWS accounts and all options you can use to monitor. All the assets in the company you can use and you can put in the system. And for each asset, you can configure some factors that's make to calculate the risk. So you can check if the asset is on the production environment or is public or exposed to the internet or have some data protection. All that factor show to you what the increase in the risk or decrease in the risk or is neutral, don't change the value, but the system or the platform use that to calculate the average risk of that asset. That's important because one flaw from one asset could be completely risk different from another asset who are exposed or have another point more important for the business. The next point is, okay, I have the asset, but I need to have the information. So I have all 14 file sources. You can see Prowler, Longbow, the best config. All the sources give information for the platform. So with all that information, the platform digests all that information and they show we found 54K of findings, of 33K is just informational, and remove the duplicate information about that. In the next steps, they reduce to 107 issues where 722 was escalated based on the risk of the assets, and about using that, they found 608 target solutions. But what's the important for that? That's a sea of information. It's a lot of information. What the teams have to work on that. That's a big problem to manage. But the Longbow solve that because they show you the five best next actions. So if that information is gonna show the best actions will reduce the risk mostly. So look at that. If I check the first information, I will reduce the risk in more than 1,000 with 90 chains. If you click here in the recommendation, they have all the summary of chains with each step they have to do, all information about each steps, and some examples of what they need to do to solve that problem. Imagine if the step 1, 2, and 3 is the one team is responsible for that. You can create a Jira ticket for that team, and you have another team like a development team have to solve another problem, so you can use select for the other team and create a ticket for each team and manage that in the Jira or ServiceNow or another application to manage all the work they are doing. But you can solve the problem, manage all the teams together to get the best solution for that. If you go to the management, they say where this from, the Terraform is a configuration file from GitHub, the stage, and the owner of this. If you go to the normal of the action, back just a second, about that, that's a problem with the log4j. So they have other 4 steps to solve that. They have all the steps to do what they need to do to solve that. So that's an example. You need to update the log4j for the other version, a safe version. You can do that for each step and find the best way to solve that problem. Thank you.